शाम को बस यहाँ बैठाएंगे, AI यूज करेंगे इसका आवाज का।
हाँ, मैं तो बहुत स्पेंड करता हूँ।
रीजनल लैंग्वेज में डब करना चाहिए। अवेलेबल इन ओनली होशांग, अवेलेबल इन 10 रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस।
बाकी सब हिंदी और इंग्लिश। Anas, look at this, the other side now. This.
It comes back in. Oh, how does
मेरे घर से खेलना बंद करो।
ये देख तेरे घर के साथ क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं।
क्यों डाल रहा है घर में यार?
Socks, dude.
These are great socks.
Anas.
Like I'm just consuming this hair.
It's
crazy.
Title I'm just gonna put Anas and Sufyan.
The Amitabh. And I'm sorry. Oh no.
It's actually right after the Taj Mahal.
Yeah, it just says prop. What did you think that was?
I thought it was written well. I just thought that was a
You thought
W.
this was well. Acha ye. Oh, that's Urdu. I thought that was also well. To be honest, I also thought that was well.
Time where I just
It's so much fun, dude. I guess you.
Hello. Welcome back to another episode of Spender Bender. My name is Hoshang. This is Govind. That's Antariksh. And today we are getting a guest.
Yes, I'm gonna rub this lamp and get him out. I just found it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's figure.
That's a new way to get a guest. ये क्या ये? Right.
कहाँ हूँ मैं?
Unrub. Shake to undo. Shake to undo. Shake to undo. Shake to undo.
Okay, dude, I hope there's a guest is inside, man. I hope Shreyas doesn't come again. He lives here, but I hope he doesn't come again.
I hope he is wearing full pants if he comes.
Hey, no!
Thank God. Oh, thank God.
Fuck this!
Oh, dude, I thought I was. Oh my. That was.
why'd you throw my lamp away?
Oh, I'm
Threw his home away, man.
I'm sorry,
You
man.
know how valuable
I'm
that
grand,
is.
dude. That's not even. I don't even own that
Yeah.
shit.
Oh, I'm sorry,
Also,
man.
we did not even get our 3 wishes. At least.
उसमें
We could
deposit
have
है
got
मेरा यार।
the full wishes, dude.
Anas, look at this. The other side now. Fuck this.
And it comes back in. Oh, how does that?
मेरे घर से खेलना बंद करो।
ये देख तेरे घर के साथ क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं।
उंगली क्यों डाल रहा है घर में यार?
इसी वजह से डिपॉजिट वापस नहीं मिलता पूरा। Because of this shit, bachelors do.
भाई तूने ऐसा क्या रब किया कि श्रेयस बिना पैंट के आ गया? ऐसा कैसा रब किया?
काम करते हुए।
I don't know, but I was suddenly exported to a working desk.
Oh,
Suddenly-
really?
Yeah. I was like, I was supposed to be a guest
Yeah,
on a
nice.
podcast
Good, you got a writing job because of this.
No money.
for 5 seconds.
5 seconds. But welcome. This is our guest, Anas.
Original.
Anas is here. Anas is here.
That's me, that's me.
What is up, Anas?
Anas, what's up? What's up?
What's up, Anas?
Shout out to the anuses of the world.
Every Anas in the world, shout out.
If you're an anus, comment down below
Comment down.
that you're an anus.
If
And
you
that's
have-
it.
If you support anus, dude, even if you just support anuses and you're not an anus yourself,
कौन
please.
कौन मानता है कि हम सबके पास एक एनस होती है?
कौन कौन मानता है? कमेंट करके
किसको
बताइए।
लगता है कभी-कभी 2 होनी चाहिए? Just do it, dude. Just tell
20
us.
रुपए दे के बताइए। 20 रुपए सुपर चैट कीजिए अगर आपको लगता है कि सबके पास 2 एनस होना चाहिए। But welcome.
Hey, but this is my favorite anus of all time. Give it up for Anas.
Anas.
Hey, welcome, man. Thank you so much for coming. How are you doing?
These are great socks.
Bro, already.
Wait, this is Harry
great
Potter
shirt.
socks?
I wore them for just the podcast.
These are Harry Potter socks?
Yeah.
Yes.
Gryffindor.
Hey,
Entertainment
actually, official
Inc.
merch. This is Warner Brothers Entertainment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The spending
नीचे
of the
लिखा हुआ है।
has started. The bending of the spending has begun already.
Nice.
But okay, how are you with money, man?
Yeah.
How am I with money?
What is your relationship with?
your
You know what? I want to
relation-
bring
it's been a
back
while,
this
yeah,
question.
it's been
Yes,
a while.
people are asking for it.
No one person asked. But yeah,
Three
okay.
people asked for it.
Okay.
Okay.
What is your relationship with money, dude?
I think we should start with simpler questions.
Okay.
Like, how are you, Anas?
Yeah. Sure.
How
This
are
fine
But every
name.
podcast
how are
asks
you with money, Anas? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you with money.
I must say, Anas is one of the well dressers in the comedy scene for sure. I think he has like very bright shirts.
I think just because he wears
Got
shirts,
it.
you think he's well dressed. Because
Yeah,
you also only
that's a
wear
big thing.
shirts.
Oh, yeah. I don't know.
एक शर्ट पहन ली प्रेस भी नहीं है शर्ट everyone is like man
ये वो तो ये भी नहीं है भाई। मैं टी-शर्ट पहना है ना, लाइक आते आते ये खुद खिंच जाएगी थोड़ी तो हो जाएगा। हो गया है भाई, हो गया
थोड़ी
है।
भीड़ में चढ़ जाऊंगा।
हाँ, थोड़ा भीड़ में चढ़ जाऊंगा, हो जाएगा। And it's true, dude. I just stretch around a bit. नॉर्मल हो जाता है, इससे भी गंदा था वो.
Dude, मेरी सारी t-shirts खत्म हो गई है because I keep wearing them on the show and I don't want to repeat, so I had to buy a new t-shirt yesterday.
तू
just
नंगा
for
बैठ
this.
ना अगले एपिसोड में.
हाँ
Just
भाई.
everybody should be shirtless in
वैसे
the
भी
next
माइक पे
episode.
बात करना आता नहीं है देखो.
Hey, सीख रहा हूँ मैं,
नंगा भी
dude.
हो जाए.
I'm learning. I'm getting better now.
Hey man, you know what, Hoshang, I've seen this show. You
Yeah.
get bullied a lot for not speaking the mic,
Right?
and for the right reasons.
I-
So,
You know, yeah, and you know, Hoshang gives it back, but we can't hear it because he's not talking into the mic. There's always Hoshang's
Hoshang,
rebuttals
we'll
hai.
figure this out, man. We'll figure this out together. Come on.
I think by episode 100 we will for sure.
I've never seen such a slow learner, dude. लोग पियानो इससे ज्यादा जल्दी सीख लेते हैं यार. ये जो माइक पे बात करना नहीं आता है इसको इतने टाइम से.
Dude, I started learning video editing when we started the podcast. I'm getting better at editing, but not holding on to the mic.
But edit करने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं audio.
इसलिए sound mixing भी सीख रहा हूँ मैं. I'm only learning
नहीं,
video
अच्छा
editing.
podcast है. होशांग बड़ा शायर है.
Eventually होशांग को बस यहाँ बैठाएंगे, AI यूज करेंगे इसका आवाज का. हाँ मैं तो बहुत स्पेंड करता हूँ.
Can I dub for Hoshang?
Yes, please.
Next episode.
Yes,
onwards.
but I want to do it in a different language than if you're getting an AI. I just don't want to do Hindi.
जी हाँ मैं तो बहुत स्पेंड करता हूँ.
Yeah, and then I'll provide the subtitles. I can do that. I can write really well.
Yeah, ये
The
ऐसा करना
talking
चाहिए.
is issue.
हर रीजनल लैंग्वेज में डब करना चाहिए. Available in only Hoshang, available in 10 regional languages.
बाकी सब हिंदी और इंग्लिश. होशांग बंगाली.
Hoshang एकदम से
Hoshang is
मलयालम.
developing a pan-Asian, pan-Indian audience. We are also
Yeah,
offering-
people can request their languages also. Whatever you want to listen to in the next episode.
जयपुर के मलयाली. Represent.
But how are you with money, dude? In general,
With money?
last week, last month, whatever you want to talk about.
So
Has
I-
it changed over time? You can also talk about that.
It is.
How much do you have in your account right now? You can talk about that.
How
Yeah,
much
of
are you going to
course.
give us after
Yeah.
this
That
podcast?
also we can
That
talk
also we can
about.
Guess
discuss.
my pin in the comments below. Whoever gets it right, I'll change it. That's the way to go about it. I think so. I've always I've not grown up with a lot of money
Yeah.
around me. That's what I used to think. I used to see like a lot of kids in school, like wear like branded shit, and I would be like, I would never be able to afford like all of that. And when I grew up, I just realized we always had some money. We were just not spending it.
Yeah.
ever. I was like, what is this Nike, Adidas? And I'm like, it's pretty affordable when I check the prices. I'm like, तो ठीक ही है, ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा. So I always had that sort of a relationship with money where
But you never checked the prices of the things you saw of your
No.
friend. Like you was like, okay, this person is wearing this.
my inferiority complex
Ah.
made sure that I always assumed this is like, whoa, you need to be like a billionaire to afford like,
To
Like a
afford.
Puma chappal. You
like
need
one of those t-shirts I saw जो 3 बार पहन के भी उसका जो round है वो ठीक है. I'm like, wow, this is.
Yeah, you need a portfolio of at least 1 crore to be able to afford that.
3 घर है तब जाके एक टी-शर्ट खरीद सकते. तब तक नंगा घूमो. तब तक.
I thought buying the dip actually means like mayonnaise or something.
But
खाने का ही कुछ होगा.
even I used to go to Borivali ke wo shops to buy t-shirts till I was in 6th or 7th standard. Then I bought branded. I was like, हाँ ये सब तो खराब ही नहीं हो रहा है यार. दूसरे तो ऐसे जगमग गंदे गंदे अजीब टी-शर्ट्स.
Yeah, nobody talks about this specific part कि वो महंगा है क्योंकि वो अच्छा है.
अच्छा
अच्छा
है.
है.
Yeah.
Yes, it lasts
लगा
you
बस
long.
ये status symbol है, but actually पैसा बच रहा है उसमें.
Yeah,
अब
exactly.
मैं 200 रुपए की टी-शर्ट लूंगा तो मेरे को बहुत सारी लेनी
हाँ.
पड़ेगी.
Exactly. My
मेरे को लगता-
uncle does this. So he goes to DMart and buys shoes every 2 months. गंदे सस्ते and he's like, but सस्ता है. I was like, तुमने 10 शू खरीदा है 1 साल में. Are you insane? उतना तो कलेक्शन होता है लोगों का यार.
That's a billionaire mindset.
Where do you guys stand on Zudio and all that? Because
What is
Zudio, I
Zudio?
think, is good quality.
Zudio is
It's
good.
Yeah,
terrible,
but it's
dude. What are you
very good.
talking? No,
I have
See,
some very good
everyday
shirts.
wear, it's not terrible at all. It's meant for
Wherever
everyday
you
wear.
stand, there's a Zudio now.
Yeah.
That's basically it. Yeah.
There's
No,
so
but
many Zudios.
it's more in tier 2, tier 3 cities. Like
Nah.
every time I go to Kochi also,
Yeah.
there's a Zudio in every pin code.
Every pin
Bombay,
code.
I've seen
Jaipur
very
also.
less. हाँ, Jaipur, Kochi, like any other city, ये बड़े-बड़े इसमें नहीं है, I guess.
Sponsor us Zudio.
Zudio,
Yeah,
let's
Zudio.
go, Zudio.
Zudio, the best in
But-
business
Yeah.
of
Clothes.
showrooms.
Yes.
Clothes.
Clothes.
Of ACs actually.
ACs.
Yeah, that's all they're
AC
providing.
must-
It's just
AC must
AC.
chalta
Sarojini
udhar.
Market stuff in AC.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
But have you like, do you like to splurge now that you have like more disposable income than
It-
you had as a kid?
Yeah, so it keeps changing because when I started doing comedy, I 4 years into comedy, I realized I'm not making a lot of money through comedy at all. I was like, I don't know. I have to stop at some point saying that this is just my passion, and I'm mother and father. I'm working towards it. One corporate show I got 7K. I'm like, wow, it's time.
Made it.
This is me, Harsh Gujral and Bassi in the same auto rickshaw together. We can do this. But I think when I started like making videos, I started getting a lot more like writing work. So through that, I finally saw some money. And that happened like much later in my life, that because I've never had like a proper job, like a 9 to 5.
Yeah, same.
So I never had that concept of like every month a specific amount of money is going to come in. And therefore never sort of learnt that value of ki, like whenever I used to see that joke of कि 30th तक पैसे खत्म हो जाते हैं, फिर first को फिर आ जाते हैं. I'm like, only the 30th part I relate to.
So how are you at like investing and all? Because since you never had a good like a full-time job, did you always manage to invest whatever you want, or?
So I started investing also very late. I think everybody had to really. My friend had to literally sit me down. Thank you, Sagar. Shout out to Sagar.
Sagar,
friend.
please help me also.
Sagar, please become my friend, Sagar.
Sagar,
I
help
need a
me.
good friend.
So he
Sagar, give
kept
me money to
asking-
invest.
He kept asking me for the longest time कि वो मेरे को भेज देता था कि ये इस portfolio में ऐसे डाल दे, and I would just assume I'm understanding what he's saying. I'm like, yeah. So finally he met me and he's like, have you been investing? I'm like, what? My time, in my art.
My efforts.
He literally had to like go to my account, see what kind of money I have, and see कि इसमें से तू बता तेरे को कितना comfortable है. मैं कहा 10,000 रुपए कहीं डाल सकते हैं. He's like, okay, I'll do it. So then he sort of like made that
And then
portfolio.
he's like, I'll do it. You were like, मेरे को 2 महीने दे दे, वो 10,000 आया नहीं है अब तक. Actually थोड़ा freelancer हूँ.
थोड़ा मैंने सही sign
Triple
नहीं
नहीं हुआ
किया
अभी
था.
तक. What is going on?
मेरा cancel check accept नहीं कर रहे हैं वो लोग. Actually time लगेगा थोड़ा.
So he
payment
did
आने
that
में.
finally. I think that's when I had a vague idea of that you need to save money. I was like, yeah, you need to save. But how to save, I think
No
I
clue.
learned.
You know,
I'm still learning.
No,
Actually.
same thing happened with me also. My friends, they wanted to gift me something. And they said, we will open your Demat account and put money into that. That is your gift. I like, great,
amazing.
perfect.
That's a great gift.
It's rich friends, dude.
Yeah, wow,
Rich friends. मेरा कोई दोस्त नहीं बोला तेरा डीमैट अकाउंट खोल.
I don't even have access to that Demat account. He only
Govind
puts
के
in
दोस्त
the
बोले
money.
DMart चले.
What? You don't have access to your own Demat account?
I don't want it because I know I'll sell it. The
Wow.
minute I'm out of
Yeah,
money,
yeah,
I
That's
know.
how your friend is embezzling your money and shit, dude. You
That
have no
is
idea where it's
fine.
going.
It's his money
You have no
only.
idea.
It's
This
his
is
money.
This
He
is
has
build
only
up to
put it.
season 3.
Yeah, correct.
Like मैं बर्बाद हो गया.
My best friend who I
What?
trusted all my life.
1 year later, he'll go to some cafe, and then the cafe people would be like, "Hey, you're our owner. You're
Yeah,
Hosham.
on the cafe, dude.
You're Hosham. It's from your black money. We have this." What? This is my cafe.
होशा को arrest कर लिया.
He had no idea.
Which joke did he do? What offended him? No,
I'm
it's just
talking
money
about
laundering.
my crush on stage. Why am I in jail?
It's just money laundering. Hosham has 7 cafes. Third wave
Hoshang
is
is like, I
Hosham.
have offensive jokes. Can you arrest me for that? No.
No. You have 7 third wave
I can't
franchises.
even
Why?
defend it because we have a full podcast talking
Yeah,
about how
yeah.
much we waste
Yeah,
money.
yeah,
Where
yeah.
are you getting it from?
Oh man, so I think my thing was my brother told me to make an emergency fund, okay, which is very, I had to. So I made an emergency fund, I put money in there and I was like, this is for emergencies. Then I didn't get money for 3 months. My payments got delayed by 3-4 months.
Yeah.
I was like, the emergency already came or what? I just put it. I had to take it out because I was like, it's emergency time, dude. Already it's just been put.
Yeah,
I
that's
took
the
it
thing about
all
emergencies,
out.
dude.
I get it.
Now I have to put it again. I'm like, now again emergency will come.
Do you have an emergency fund now, though?
No, it's gone. I took it. I had emergency. I had to
And the
pay
problem
bills.
with that is that fucking stocks don't wait for you. Okay, how you can buy at the same price.
No, this is not a stock. I just
Oh.
put it aside.
Oh, you put it
Stocks
aside.
be I
Oh,
removed.
acha, acha,
I had
okay.
to remove.
Yeah, I've done that.
But
dude.
yeah.
I've removed from stocks.
That's very rude of stocks, though.
Yeah,
dude.
Can we just talk
What the
about
fuck?
that?
Yeah.
And you
They
know
don't
what?
give you a
It's-
warning, nothing.
It's so weird because the market's very down right now.
Yeah.
No
Yeah.
one's selling. I just keep selling. I just need that money, dude.
get it, dude.
I
I
think
totally
Grow
get
will
it.
also be like, dude, you're such at a
You're a
loss.
terrible
Why
investor,
you?
bro.
Yeah. This is
Buy,
ulta.
sell,
Yeah, this is the buying phase. This is not the selling phase.
Buying at a high, selling at a loss. This is the worst investor.
Just loves the color red. कि Finally, yes.
This is the best part about not knowing how much you have invested or you're having an account, because I don't know how fucked the market is. I just don't check anything. I don't know if I'm in loss, profit, if there's any money left. I have no clue.
I have more invested elsewhere, which I won't touch. But these ones that I can touch,
Yeah.
I have
Yeah.
never kept it there for more than 3 months. Dude, it's always come out.
But you buy the same stock every time, like you sell the
No,
stock
one
and-
though I give it to a company who does it. So that is
Oh, okay.
going beautifully. I will
Yeah.
never remove it. But that's the only one that's left now.
This is like a bad financial podcast.
Yeah.
This is
You know, that was the
essentially-
initial idea.
Anti-finance.
Anti-finance. Just finance influencers, Sharan Hegde
Yeah,
ke opposite. That's what we were planning
the
on
way I
doing.
always explain the show
Sharam.
to anyone is that there are enough podcasts telling you how to invest your money, save your money. Who needs more of that?
Yeah, now let's
Who
undo it.
celebrates- Who celebrates spending your money unwisely on dumb, ridiculous things?
Yeah.
That's this show.
You watch a lot of those, and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
and then you're like,
And then
you've
you're
saved
like,
enough
enough
now.
of that shit.
Enough, you
You
saved.
need
to-
Spend a bendo.
You're in a palate cleanser, dude. You
Yeah,
can't just
absolutely.
keep having the same thing again and again.
इतना पैसा बचा के कहीं spend भी तो करना है ना भाई.
What do you like spending money on most?
I like spending money a lot. So one of my favorite things to spend money, I think, is on props. I love walking into random toy stores and just I'm on Amazon a lot and just I'm just
me, dude.
looking at like random small stuff for my desk or like whatever that I can buy. But mostly I do it from the perspective of that I can maybe make some sketch out of it. Like I was just, for example, looking through
So it's
some
not
stuff.
frivolous spending. You're always looking to do something with whatever you're buying.
But
It's
I
not
don't
just-
always end up making something.
But the intention is there.
intention is
Actually,
there.
intention is
yeah,
there.
My heart is
remember-
in the right
Yes.
place.
I remember
that's
seeing
what
a
matters.
story of yours where I don't remember the exact thing, but you were like, "Hey, need a red wig for tomorrow. Anyone
Not
who
red
has
wig,
it,
once
send."
like a Santa Claus costume he needed.
It was a horse mask.
Oh yeah, horse mask. I was like, this is such a specific
Usually on
request.
social media, people are like, urgent,
Yeah.
donor needed, AB positive.
Oxygen tank.
And I'm just like, this is really urgent. Tomorrow I need horse mask. And I actually got 2 people to give me the horse mask. I did end up getting the horse mask.
Oh,
Through
you
one
did?
of your
Nah.
followers.
Yeah.
That's wild.
Paridhi,
dude.
shout out to Paridhi. Thank you so much.
I think
I had to travel all the way like to
I
Mud
think only
Island to get
prop-
it.
Oh, you went to
shops.
Mud Island to get that horse?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude,
We fast
imagine,
kar leta.
imagine that story. Hey, anybody
Utna hi
traveling from Mud to Andheri needs something urgently, and this person, out of the goodness of their heart, will go to also Mud. He'll pick it up, and it's a horse.
and then another story. Hey, anyone under my house, can you please get that horse mask up to the 5th floor?
Now Mumbai to Mud.
Random prop shops are just following Anas ke kab bolega ye, kab just waiting.
Have you made
Sangam
relationship
props.
with like these prop shops? Because I'm sure you're visiting them a lot.
Absolutely. So it's not specifically prop shops is something that I discovered much later that there are specific places for this.
Yeah.
Usually, as I said, I just walk into a toy store and just start looking around.
Correct.
And it's just whatever I think can be interesting, a wig that I'll see. Or like there are some nails. So I'm like, kuch to kar sakte hain, iska kuch to kar sakte hain. The hope is always there that I can use this somehow either on stage or like in a video or like I can just have fun
So
with
for
it.
instance, if you're talking about say nails, right? So if you see like fancy nails, you're like, oh, are you thinking of the character you'll do with that nail, or just
Absolutely.
like something? Oh,
Absolutely. So I'm
Like you're gonna be the nail?
I haven't done a video like that in a long time. Where I just,
It's so much fun, dude. I guess you.
dude, everybody keeps making. Hussein makes so much fun of me for videos where I do a lot of videos where I play like inanimate objects.
Yeah.
And Hussein, whenever we're hanging out, is always doing like, हम चुपचाप बिरयानी खा रहे हैं. Hussein is just like, अरे अनस सोच रहा होगा कि ये चम्मच क्या सोच रहा होगा? And it's true.
It's true. It's true.
I did end up writing an idea where the chammach is thinking ki
Oh, yuck, saliva. I hate this. Something like that.
What the spoon is?
two spoons are talking ki
Yeah, of course.
some people eat with spoon like they pull it with their teeth,
Yeah,
and some
yeah.
people do like full like with their
Yes,
lips and
yes, the
everything.
most seductive way.
So they're talking about their owners and how like the lips one has a more intimate relationship and the other one, the teeth one, is like more like functional.
Aggressive.
Yeah,
Yeah.
कि it's more like कि इतना प्यार नहीं है आपस में. We just meet
They're
for
acquaintances. They're not like friends or anything.
like they're like fuck buddies like that. They're just like कि there's no emotional connection.
This
But
is
that one is
actually-
like just like smacking with the mouth and थोड़ा सा चाट भी लिया उसको
So
नीचे से.
Hussein was completely correct.
Absolutely.
But like
But how dare he?
a level further, he was like, ये चम्मच क्या सोच रहा होगा? तू सोच रहा था कि 2 चम्मच क्या सोच रहा है? मेरा और उसका चम्मच
In
क्या
my sketch, folk enters at some point.
But you have your products here, na?
Okay,
Let's
let's see what
show everyone how big that box is.
Oh my God!
Christ, dude.
Oh,
That is incredible.
this is the biggest haul we've ever had.
Yes.
I'll tell you. On my
Oh my
stories,
God.
this one time I put, guys, this is my unnecessarily for no fucking reason. I was just like, this is my prop box, and I put some mystery music, and I said, I will reveal this prop box at exactly 57.8k followers. For no reason. Nobody was like, we're excited. Looking forward to that. I was like, I'm looking forward to that. So it's happening now on Spend a Bender podcast.
Whoa, you reached 57.8.
57.8, I've done
Yes.
it. Hopefully by the end of this 57.5.
Oh, we'll wait for the
I
release
lost
of the episode.
I lost 100 followers recently, so you never know, dude, if you like you
we
will.
won't release the episode if it's less than 57.8.
For every lost follower, he does silence on his mic.
Nice.
Thank you,
2 minutes
Oshan.
silence. That's what
1
Oshan.
hour silence.
I've been doing it since the beginning of the show, just for you.
So this is
Yes.
prop box.
You want to help with that?
That's
The
so
prop
nice.
box also
What
has
is
been bought.
WEL?
That's Urdu, man.
Oh, okay.
So this is prop in Hindi.
Yeah, it just says prop. What did you think that was?
I thought it was written well. I just thought that was a
You
W.
thought this was well. Acha, oh, that's Urdu. I thought that was also well. To be honest, I also thought that was well.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
उसको
yeah.
लगा वो पेन चेक कर रहा था वहाँ पे कि चल रहा है कि नहीं.
I
Sign.
thought that was your signature.
Well, it's that. Well.
That's my yes.
So glad
Hindi.
you're as dumb as me.
I did. Yeah, dude.
Thank you so much.
हाँ.
That's Urdu.
This does not read prop at all, by
Yeah.
the way.
Oh, what does it read?
I have no idea.
Oh, I'm also wrong. Wow.
I just wanted to put something in Urdu.
What do you mean?
Some of these are not even Urdu letters, by the way.
What? This is an E.
That's an E.
That's an extra word, comma.
Oh man.
This I think is an alif. I don't know.
It doesn't say prop.
My muzzle audience, maybe you can help
You
me
know,
also.
this is like my tattoo.
Yeah,
It's
it's
just-
like a tattoo.
What does it say? Insert text here.
No, it says the word Japanese in Chinese. So it's exactly that. It also makes no sense.
For one joke, yes.
Yeah.
You've gone too far.
Yeah. It's 70. I'll have this.
I can just be like, that's the prop box itself is a prop.
It's for 500 rupees.
For 500 rupees, inclusive of all taxes.
Oh, okay.
Please.
Thank God.
And that's the
thank God
selling
for
price.
it. Oh, that,
Yeah, of course.
what's the buying price?
No, I can't reveal that.
Oh,
of
okay.
course.
Sorry, man.
I just took this and ran away with it. Reveal.
32 liter.
Dude, यहाँ पर they put a photo of whatever they thought would be inside.
Yeah, like
Pretty
medicines,
accurate, I
baby
think.
stuff.
baby stuff. I didn't know an adult.
with 5 wigs
Oh, yeah?
inside.
That's actually what my prop box is trying to be.
Yeah.
This is the dream. This is the vision board for my prop
That's the
box.
next reel. You're talking to your fucking
It's
prop
32
box.
liters. It's 32 liters.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
it has
32 liters
wheels,
worth
man.
of creativity.
It has wheels.
Oh, I didn't notice the wheels. Oh, dude, that's damn cool.
Yeah, dude, what if I have to carry it to a podcast about
How
spending
you gonna
money?
do
it?
How am I going to do it? This is, I want to
Oh,
start.
nice. With that and the beard.
Yeah,
Perfect.
this is a very, just put your
Perfect.
hand anywhere, just pull. Oh.
This is exactly what.
This is actually what I wanted
Yeah.
lamp to come out. I wanted
Oh, yeah.
You remember? This is that phase of Amitabh Bachchan where he had like
Or just
mehendi
give
hair,
me more.
mehendi hair, but a white.
I
beard.
thought when he went through his
Oh
clown
yeah,
face.
he had a little orangish
Yeah,
hair only. The
mehendi
way.
hair. This is the KBC starting of KBC.
By the
hair.
end of, like, whenever I shoot with this, I always have a lot of this hair. Like, I'm just consuming this hair.
Dude,
It's
in
crazy.
the title, I'm just gonna put Anas and Sufyan. We don't need to get Sufyan.
The
anymore.
Amitabh.
Amitabh never leaves you.
Oh man, I'm sorry.
Oh wow!
This is always only for one joke.
This is Hussein's hand after he said the spoon thing. We're like, अब खा के बता spoon से.
This is actually right after the Taj Mahal.
Dude, sports क्योंकि वो बिरयानी कैसे खाएगा अब भाई?
That's where they,
But shoulders also.
I just took all of them.
Yeah. Oh.
This is for silly joke. Need a hand.
Have you used this?
In every party, I just do it for this one joke. Everybody enters up. Need a hand.
You
right?
take it to
Right?
parties.
I invite people to parties and then I'm like, yeah.
Because Anas is full of fun, Govind. Don't forget.
Yeah. You're like, come for party. And then once they've come, all come, you're like, give me 1 minute. Just a box. Okay. Need a hand? Now
50
next joke.
jokes back to back.
We can do this. We can do this. I'll just put the box
Yeah.
here.
Yes.
You can at any point pull out anything and I'll tell you a story about it.
Oh, fuck yes,
perfect.
dude.
Yes, let's do that. Govind, you wanna go first?
Adds intrigue. All right, this one.
No.
No.
I had the story prepared.
Can we get the box closer to you guys so it's in frame in the
no.
master?
Let's
Yeah,
talk
that's good.
about
That's
this.
good. That's good.
Oh, I absolutely forgot. Like, so basically, this is a bubble gun.
It's a bubble gun.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bubble maker. इसमें अभी सेल नहीं है
हाँ,
वरना मैं
हाँ.
तुम्हें बना के दिखाता.
नीचे है, 3 मिनट देखे थे.
हाँ, yes. They're somewhere there.
Yeah.
Something has entered the box. It has already become a prop. Now the cell is not a cell anymore.
Now you need
It's
to
a
sketch.
prop.
Cell is a character. Cell is a
Yes.
sketch character. But yes, this is a Gatling gun, which I thought. So this I specifically bought to use in like slow-mo shots.
Yeah.
So I was like, I can make some interesting visual out of like a lot of bubbles, and this produces like a lot of bubbles.
Okay.
Oh wow, this is. Are you guys thespians?
We'll try.
Give me your money, dude. Right? That's
I've already spent it.
Ah,
Spent it, and right.
man, dude. The amount of how much money do you think you spent on like combined all of this combined?
So that is the fun part. Most of these props are not like more than 200 rupees or
Oh,
like 150
The maximum
bucks.
is 200 bucks.
200, 300, 400. Matlab, it doesn't.
500, 600, 700, 800,
800,
900,
900,
1000,
10,000.
1000.
That one I know. You wore that on the Has It Aged Well podcast.
yes.
That's the Krish one.
That's the Christmas.
Ansari.
You this mask for him because Anas wore it on a podcast.
Yeah.
Not Krish.
Yeah,
idea
but
what
it was Krish's bag. Yeah.
Wait,
Bro,
wait,
Anas, Hrithik Roshan was copying you in that film. I saw it, bro.
Every time I see Hrithik Roshan, I think of you now.
He's making
Not
Krish
the other
4.
way.
He's making Krish 4 now.
Yeah, he asked me for the mask.
Yeah, he did, na?
he's
He's
directly
like, वापस दे दे भाई, क्या कर रहा है यार,
तूने बोलो
please?
किया तो sketch के लिए अभी दे दे.
Dude, I found the best prop in here. This is Shark Tank.
This is what
ka
paid
pass.
for all the props.
Yeah, that's true.
It's
That's
so
true.
true.
That's true. This is what paid for all of it. Man, but
This I kept more as a memory. I was
course.
there like
Of
season
course.
2, season
so
3.
for anyone who
Shark
doesn't
Tank.
know, he wrote everything you skipped on Shark Tank
Yeah.
India.
That's me, man. That if you
Whatever
were
you
wondering
watched.
who's writing this shit,
Yeah, but
that's
how
me.
was the experience on Shark Tank India though?
Shark Tank.
Yeah.
I had a great time.
Yeah.
First time I worked as a writer on like a TV show. I think I had a very interesting time because we were supposed to come up with a lot of stuff for the host, and even if it's like, it's mostly like branded stuff that you do with the host. So I
Yeah.
was writing all of that, and
Wow.
I did not anticipate
was
the
the
amount
host
of
during that
writing. Rahul Dua.
Rahul
Oh,
Dua.
oh, great.
So I was writing for Rahul. I've been working with Rahul before that, writing his online sketches or some YouTube show that we worked on.
Oh wow.
So when he finally got this hosting gig, then he just asked me to do it. It was a lot of fun. It was a
Were
lot
you
of
tempted-
money.
Were you tempted to try and invest, see how you can get into those brands that come on the show?
No, but Rahul used to do it. Rahul
Yeah, I
would.
heard, yeah, correct.
Rahul would be like, "अरे congratulations, ये वो camera cut होते ही है. By the way, मैं थोड़े पैसे डाल सकता हूँ कैसे?" I'm like, this guy's so smart, dude.
Yeah, correct.
And I would
Aman
just
Gupta
be
ne
on my
डाल दिया,
laptop, just
That's what a strategy, hosting it and being like, ठीक है मैं भी invest कर लूँगा थोड़ा सा.
Yeah.
I thought this was some bondage stuff, but this is
A stethoscope.
yeah, it's a stethoscope.
Using the guy who has this, a bubble maker, also has bondage stuff.
what if this is all just sexual stuff? I can't get it on till you wear the Shark Tank iCard.
The batteries are used in the vibrators. That's why they're there.
But I have to say, dude, you have more fake money than I have real money. It's not very embarrassing.
What is your favorite thing? Like in a sense, the one you use the
Oh
most
yeah.
on a,
I
say, a
think
reel or something.
okay.
This is a
There's
laptop
also some stuff
stand.
that I couldn't put anywhere else.
Okay.
That is also in the prop box,
also
and I
a
have to
story
make up a
Yeah,
story.
I'm sure.
No, I get it. I have this organizer which was supposed to organize things. कि
Yes,
ये यहाँ पे, यहाँ
yes.
पे, यहाँ पे. I've put anything inside that now. In my old cigarette boxes with no cigarettes. I was like, that's going to the dustbin, not the organizer. So I get it. I get
didn't
it.
know you won so many medals for the country, dude.
I'm a winner, dude. I'm a
Dude, you
winner.
are a
I don't want to
winner.
brag.
Trophies and medals. That's all. Anas
Wow,
was
they're
there.
all for CEO of comedy. So many CEOs.
These are
of
for the
comedy.
runner-ups. So this I bought specifically for a sketch. So I just saw it on Amazon. Ki this was a pack of like 6 or 7 medals for 300, 350 bucks.
Okay.
And I was like, great. So I was gonna do a sketch where like a people pleaser, has drawn one boundary, and then all of his friends are felicitating him,
Oh, wow.
facilitating.
this, na?
What the fuck is the word?
Felicitating.
Precipitating. What is it?
Precipitating.
Supporting?
Felicitate.
Felicitate. No, I think it's felicitate.
Felicitated?
Give him the award.
Fatality.
Yeah, fatality.
Yes.
All the friends
Fuck
for
him.
fatality.
Yeah.
Fuck him, man.
They're trying to fuck
that
him.
guy.
Yeah.
Yes. So everybody's just putting that one medal. I had that visual in head. That's why I bought it. So in my head, the sketch is already done.
Yeah.
So therefore, I never made it. But now I just have a bunch of medals.
Oh, you didn't make it.
No. I haven't made it.
You've made a people pleaser one.
Yeah.
I've made a people
Yeah,
pleaser
I've
sketch.
seen that.
Next time, give it to the audience member. Yeah, you made it. Give him a medal. Give him a trophy.
Every time an audience member laughs, just give them a medal.
Yeah.
That'd be after
Very-
every joke.
very-
just
So I am planning something similar to that in like I'm touring with the show now, my
Yeah.
show.
With
so
the
it's just a
prop
bunch of the show itself it's a show out of a suitcase. So the show starts with there's a half opened suitcase on stage with a bunch of shit like dangling out of it. And then throughout the show I keep like taking stuff and doing bits with them.
oh, nice.
Guys,
So-
I have seen the show and it's very
that
good.
show only,
yeah,
na?
yeah,
That's
yeah.
very
at,
good.
At Ramnagar Festival, I've seen the show. Please go for it. Description will be link will be in the description. Blah blah blah.
Yes,
Sorry,
thank you
go
so
on.
much, man. I'm so excited to do
Too bad
do the
no one
show.
listened to you,
Yeah.
could hear you.
Hey, no, I made sure I spoke in mic for this one, just
Yeah,
this
yeah.
one, because I'm the CEO of comedy. I have to support comedy. Okay.
This is the most silent shout out.
Everyone's listening. It's just Hoshang.
It's a whisper out actually. It's not.
Cuts to Hoshang.
There's a scissor.
It's just a
also.
Sunsilk ad in Marathi. Beach mein.
Wait, there's a scissor also.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is just scissors.
Yeah.
There's no,
There's no way there's a story behind a pair of scissors.
actually,
But that's the best thing about his kind of
Oh, I have
sketches,
this.
dude.
This
He
is
can make a
interesting.
sketch just on scissor and what he's
I
going
can.
through.
True.
I'll play scissor. I'll play both like scissor.
Yeah.
This is an official victim card. If you're looking to, everybody in the comment is always like, "You're playing victim card, playing," but nobody ever has. So I've
Or
made
you-
this.
Yeah.
It's an official victim card.
That's actually great.
If you want to be, and it's actually a metro, Delhi metro card.
If you're also a victim, scan this QR code. People are just going to be metro.
ऑथेंटिक बनाने के लिए उस पे लैमिनेशन मैंने कहा ये ऐसे तो
You drew something like a photo.
yeah
of
it's a picture, it's a small picture, and it says issued by victim association, valid forever. Small picture also with a small sign. Oh, that's Loban. That's
What's this?
sometimes in sketches. So this is
For
to
smoke.
produce for smoke. So sometimes in sketches I've been trying to do
Man, your
something
production value is so high, dude.
It's incredible.
Mine is कि ये left से लूँगा मैं और
I hate.
ये वाला right से.
I have personal problem with Govind's sketches because they work so well also.
so
I'm
well,
like,
yeah.
no.
And he does not even change
did
the
that?
t-shirt. He does not even.
Dude, you know, once I put out a reel and it didn't work, and I was like, why isn't it working? And then a friend told me, dude, you have 4 characters, all of them are wearing the same t-shirt. Who's what? I was like, that's very true, dude. I also get confused. Ki, abe, who's which character? The way I do it is everyone's wearing the same t-shirt. The background's different. So I'm like, now figure out, na baba. The background is different, na. That's this character. Iske background PG TV hai.
Cut
चश्मा
हो गया.
पहन ले भाई टी-शर्ट चेंज मत कर चश्मा पहन ले कुछ
अरे,
तो कर ले
I'll tell you what my thing is. I feel like if I put that much effort, ऐसे चश्मा पहना, ऐसा prop पहना, and it doesn't work, I'll be like, I was so vulnerable wearing a
Did he
wig,
say-
and everyone was like, fuck this guy. So if I do just
me
this,
in every video.
Did he say that much effort for putting on glasses?
Yeah,
you don't even put reels, ठीक है? You shut up. But I'm saying,
You don't even speak.
yeah, you don't even speak. नहीं, I'm saying,
You shut
but-
up. He'll do it by himself.
No, I'm saying if I don't put effort and it doesn't work, I'll be like, yeah, but I didn't put effort. It's okay. It's just to try to convince
nice.
myself कि it's okay if it didn't work.
Dude,
I have the opposite of this, where I'm like, the sketch has to be as complicated as possible. Then when it doesn't work, I'm a true artist. I hope I die soon, and then everybody's like, man, you're such a genius, gone too soon.
I say that
That's
already. Even before you've died, I always
That's
say
true,
it.
that's
because
true.
sometimes I'll be watching your reel and I don't get it, so I have to watch it again. And I'm like, this guy, either he's a genius or I'm really fucking dumb.
There's
Those are
some-
both great options.
Wait.
What else do we have?
I found something.
Wow, that goes with the hand. Sever the hand.
So this I bought for a sketch in which I was playing Hrithik Roshan.
It's an extra thumb.
For that Krish sketch only. I was like, how can I make it? Oh, I can't speak like him.
Can't.
How do I?
Can't have Rakesh Roshan as your father. What are you gonna do?
And my Amazon search history also extra thumb, severed hand.
6-fingered hand.
But how did you stick this to your hand?
I just did a very I had to make it look bad on purpose because I couldn't figure out how to.
Yeah.
So I put a stick in this, and then I pasted the stick on my hand.
Okay.
And that's how. So it just looked like it's protruding.
Dude, it looks real, huh?
Yeah.
For a second, it looks real for sure.
Yeah. It looks like you're just really good at that magic trick.
How much-
removing your thumb
Hit
wala.
How much was this for?
This one.
I mean, approximately. Like, what is even the
Around-
cost of an
Yeah,
extra
was it like
thumb?
a set of 5 or just like one thumb?
Just one.
Just one thumb?
From Amazon. They sent
A guy
one
delivered
thumb.
one thumb. Somebody came to your house, called you, asked for direction maybe to
Bhaiya-
deliver one thumb.
भैया
जेफ
OT
बेजोस के बाल झड़ गए ब्रो क्या आदमी है यार ये
भैया OTP दे दो आपके एक थंब का कि मैं जो लेके आया हूँ दिल्ली से आया मुंबई ये शिप करके.
Dude, imagine that
भैया एक
parcel
OTP दे दो और
also.
फिर they judge you for like 5 minutes. They just stand there really.
And they also have a huge bag of all the stuff in it, right? Which they're delivering, and it must have been such a small parcel. उसको नीचे से निकालना पड़ा होगा ये for one thumb.
But how much was it for approximately?
This one around $50, 50-60 bucks. That's the cost of a thumb in 2025, man.
That's the cost to be
Come on,
Hrithik
dude.
Roshan apparently.
Hey, you can give your thumb imprint. Which one though?
लेके चलता हूँ.
Oh
Like one
my
of those bad
God,
spy
dude,
movies ना.
this is-
Just like
You really love glasses, huh?
Oh, absolutely. I think glasses give you an instant character.
Yeah.
Whenever
Yeah.
you put on
Yeah,
like
yeah,
any
yeah.
sort of glasses, you're like
Multiple.
some.
Govind
Like
wouldn't know. That's too much effort for him.
No, I put glasses.
Okay.
Not at like in Bombay. Outside I do.
Those are not glasses, Govind.
Yeah, that was you thought glasses. What the fuck was that?
this is Daft
What if
Punk.
they are some weird
Just talked
futuristic
about-
glasses?
Yeah, I know how glasses work. And the next thing you do is put on
That's
this.
Cyclops glasses from
Yeah.
X-Men.
What if they are, dude? See, there are two holes which makes it look like they're glasses for the.
Yeah,
This
Yeah.
Daft Punk from Kandivali.
yeah, exactly. This futuristic sci-fi kind of glasses.
Yeah, see, you put on glasses and like we're
That's
characters.
true.
Like,
I've seen you wear this. I've seen you wear
yeah,
this.
this is.
Oh,
What?
Crazy, crazy.
I mean, of course, yeah, this gives you character for sure. The light चमक रहा है तेरे चश्मे से. Of course, this gives you character.
बस अंधेरी गलियों में खड़े हुए like कोई पैसा दे ही देगा कि आप तो चाकू भी मत लाओ. We'll just give you.
भैया धनिया है आपके
That doesn't
पास.
have music or?
I think it has more settings. Oh,
More settings.
oh yeah.
I've never
Two
heard
settings.
that.
Okay.
What are the two settings? I can't see it.
This is one. The one setting is epilepsy,
Yeah.
and then the other one is. This is less epilepsy.
Yes.
Then this is
No
for
epilepsy.
everybody. Yeah.
This is
for
no
epileptic
epilepsy.
people also.
Acha, okay.
And this is normal.
हाँ
Normal
sorry for
glasses.
epilepsy. Yes.
Yes, yes.
I've never had glasses before with a battery box on the rack.
What is that?
Put battery.
रुक जा मेरे को actual glasses लगाने दे.
क्या है? You have to
Oh.
put batteries in it.
क्या होता है इससे?
do with light
ये
or
VR है क्या?
इधर आ
इस वाले में-
मेरे एसी के रिमोट में बैटरी नहीं है. मैं उसको बोल रहा था प्लीज लेके आ. तेरे पास ग्लासेस के लिए.
I always carry battery for my glasses. Glasses need power, dude. Right? Right?
You're right, dude.
What do you think the most costly item from the whole bag is?
Yeah, yeah.
I think the box. When I had just not even started making videos
Yeah.
in the pandemic, what was happening is we were doing a lot of online shows, right?
Yeah.
So I did not have access to. ऐसा नहीं था गरीब नहीं था मैं बट बस खरीदी नहीं रिंग लाइट की रिंग लाइट लूंगा क्या मैं
हाँ.
हु एम आई
For
लाइक
what?
कंटेंट
Yeah,
क्रिएटर
Shit.
boo so I made a whole light setup at my home with a CFL like a CFL LED bulb
जो लंबे वाले आते हैं.
like a bulb
Uh-huh.
situation. I took that, I put it in a shoebox, like I added some extra wire on it. उसके आगे I put like a butter paper.
Great.
And I used to use that while performing online. So I would just turn that on. And what I did not realize is these lights are too powerful.
Yeah.
So it was just me with this godly light, just shining,
Shining like a star.
just not even white, just grey face. I'm looking grey and I'm just like, then Punjabis give me, where are the Punjabis? They're like,
Hey, where are they? I can't see any of you. Where are... Hello?
can you see me because I can't? Just like online call. So
but-
it started from there because like I've always enjoyed like doing the art and craft side of things a lot. Like it's a really fun activity for me. Like even if I don't have a prop, I'll make it. So I'm always like either drawing something or trying to make something. So it makes the whole process really fun for me.
That's fun, dude. Like, this has been the most inspiring podcast. You know what? I'm gonna start talking to the mic from now on. Just because you've inspired me.
Yeah, man.
This is what you needed.
Yeah.
By the way,
just-
you say this, and I know in a minute you won't be talking into
No,
the mic.
no,
so
dude, now you see.
it's not because you didn't want to. It's because you couldn't talk into
You gotta
the mic.
treat it as a prop. I'll put it in the box.
Yes.
Then you use it.
Yes.
Right. Man, this is the most number of products anyone has gotten.
Yes.
By the way,
Ever.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
This
What-
is also
what
the
do you-
least number of views. This podcast will get.
Shit, we used too many props. It's inversely.
This was
affects
nice,
the-
but Bansha episode was very funny.
So the thing is, no, normally we rate these products also.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
how do
rate
we
Anas.
Yeah, I
just
think we
gonna
have to
rate
rate the entire contents of the box as one unit.
To,
I think,
to be
right? How
honest,
else
I'll
will you-
rate this 9 out of 10 because the amount of effort it takes
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
to like this is hoarding, by the way. I don't know if you know.
yes, exactly.
This is
right.
hoarding.
This is my emergency fund.
You're like, oh no money. Let me wear my beard. Now I feel better.
क्या वो आपके पैसे लेके भाग गया अनस? मैं उससे बात करता हूँ. मैं उसके चाचा हूँ. Just pretending to be. कि नहीं very bad
Gucci
यार.
पहन के.
हमने उसे ऐसे संस्कार नहीं दिए.
What do you think the full cost of this box is? If you had to just
Full
put a number?
cost?
Yeah.
I think under 5k.
What?
Really?
Yeah, including the box.
Some are like he made some of them.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
That's true, yeah.
So a lot of. See, this is.
I don't
For
think you
me-
can put a monetary value to this.
No, you can
Okay.
definitely.
You must,
सब
you must.
बकवास मत करिए. कोई ऐसा
Spender, bender पे ये सब नहीं
spender
चलेगा.
bender पे ये सब क्या?
What do you want an investment podcast for this?
Sorry, dude.
I don't think you can put a monetary. कौन है बे तू?
Because he's put in so much. Okay, fine, dude. Yeah.
तो पैसे तो लगते हैं ना इसके.
Yeah.
तो ये क्या
This is not depreciating asset. This is appreciating asset.
I'm
this is-
appreciating you. You are
appreciate.
the asset.
I think this is just acid. It doesn't appreciate, doesn't depreciate. It's
just acid.
Oh,
what
yeah.
do you rate? What do you rate?
Oh, rate. I think 499, dude. I think it says worth every penny.
You rated 499. That is out of what?
Out of 5?
Out of props, dude.
Out of well.
As it says here, Tamallima ha.
Tamalliva.
Tamalliva.
That's a good tattoo.
Yeah, it is.
It should
In
say.
Arabic,
It
Tamalliva.
says Tamallima ha.
Oh, fuck.
No,
Okay,
like
now-
9. Like a 10, 9, whatever you want to give it,
And
dude.
you rated?
Yeah, 8 and a half.
8?
Oh,
What are
wow.
you cutting 2
Great.
points
It's
for?
great. It's just-
Antrish, I can pull out more props
Okay,
if
no,
you
no,
want.
I'm just saying, okay? From a utility point of view,
Huh.
for everyone else, it doesn't apply. That's the only thing.
No, I like the amount of effort put into
Yeah,
these
it's
many
great.
props.
So
That's
8
why I
and a
give
half
it
is a
9.
Great high
That's
score.
why I give it 9.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Oh,
I'll
sorry,
take
I zoned out when you said your rating. What
9.
was it? 9.
9.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
But hilarious, for sure.
Dude.
Hilarity-wise, 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Utility-wise,
Every
8.
story attached to every prop, amazing.
Yeah,
Prop
yeah.
in itself,
Yeah.
we can debate on
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
But the story
No, he's
and
right.
the ideas
Utility
around-
wise,
Yeah.
utility wise, so I
Yeah.
mean, if someone's bleeding, they can't take out the stethoscope.
Hey, stop bleeding.
अरे खुश
Stop
रहो
bleeding,
यार जोकर आ गया
Start making fun, distract them.
Nah, 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 nah. Ritik,
Yeah,
enjoy.
so
Hey,
you-
you want an extra thumb, Ritik?
utility
Dude,
wise
without the beard, it actually looks like Amitabh, no? A little bit. Just give me Morty.
Without a jaundice.
10 out of 10 now. Now it's 10 out of 10.
oh man okay Hushang what's your product
Okay, so my product, I
Let's get
think.
that out of the way first.
Huh?
Should we get that out of the way?
yeah okay get it.
Keep it there. It's fine.
okay
It has wheels, just wheel it away.
yeah
If it's what I am thinking it is, then it's a great addition to
You
your prop
bought
box.
this, what do you
Okay,
mean
no,
if
I
you-
ordered 2 things. I don't know which one is what.
Oh.
Okay, so I'm gonna open this one.
Is
so
this
just
the other
pass me
thumb?
The scissors
hey there
from
are scissors in
I
the
know,
prop
I know,
box
I saw that. मेरा पीछे speaker में पड़ा है. So if it is what I think it is, then it's gonna make a great addition for your prop box, dude.
don't talk
Okay, no, just hold the mic to him, I guess.
No, it's okay. Let him open.
Just ASMR. Mic के पास खोलना है ऐसे.
It is what he thinks
okay.
it is.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. You know how all of us at some point in our lives have wanted to be Spider-Man, right?
Yeah.
All of
course.
us,
Sure,
right? We'll
yeah.
be sitting here and you'll have a Diet
Yesterday.
Coke can there, like, I wish I could just get it.
Did you get a fake spider to bite you?
I got
Oh,
a
you got that. Okay, got it.
Just build up
web
Spider-Man.
shooter.
Oh, very
Web shooter.
Oh.
But I'm sure it does not work like it was showed on the video how it's supposed to work.
good. It's a silly that
It's
silly
an
thing?
adhesive and it just
Oh.
goes and it apparently sticks to the surface and you can call
We should
for
try
things
it, we
back.
should
Of
try it.
course. No, in the video it did. There's no way in $800 I can become Spider-Man and get my Diet Coke from the
Yeah.
table to
You
you.
should. Oshang, don't try with that. Terrace जा एक बार कूद के try कर ले ये and tell us. We'll know.
Try it for the first time only when you're falling down.
Yeah. Exactly. Oh, exactly.
And that's when it kicked in for Tobey Maguire Spider-Man
That's
also.
exactly
when he
true.
was
That's
falling.
exactly
yeah,
right.
yeah.
Because he ordered it on Amazon.
Yes, exactly right.
800
So
रुपए
you
का.
get superpowers. But try करते
So wait,
हैं ना.
my webs are outside for some reason.
That's okay, man. It happens when you're nervous. It's all good.
It's called Nightfall. What is this? Hey,
I
this
think-
is to a dart.
Yeah, it has adhesive on it.
Oh, and the string just goes to the back of the dart. So it's basically a shooting gun thingy.
Oh, but that's great.
Hey,
Like,
no,
this is
don't-
the-
don't point at his
Together.
face.
No, we have to
Don't
put
point
it
at his-
together, dude. You can't just throw
No,
it.
you
Pointing at your face.
No, you're pointing at his face. But
Okay, then your face.
now it's
Then.
fine.
I think you should do. Wait.
Oh, it actually happened.
Something
Can you give me that?
So this is the string.
Under the
put
sofa.
This together. I can't just throw it right
Should
now.
I just keep it here?
Yeah, for like 5 minutes.
Yes, I can do it.
Okay. Okay, so we can just use the web shooter. Like it doesn't come back, but I can shoot at stuff. Wait.
Oh! What the fuck? How was that accurate? That is insane.
One shot.
That was actually
Yeah.
pretty cool, dude. That was actually very cool.
Yeah.
Bro.
Now imagine if the string
Give
was
it
there and it
through
came back.
and
it
came back.
Yes. It's
let's-
just we are not able to figure it out. I think
And
it
let's
works
be
otherwise.
Also, it didn't stick to it. So let's be
Yeah.
honest, it didn't work.
But this
Yeah.
comes, see, all this does is basically when you're playing darts, okay, when you're playing darts, you have to walk towards the dartboard and take it back. इसमें वो नहीं करना पड़ता, वो वापस खींच लेता है बस.
This is Spider-Man.
Man.
वो web से थप्पड़. It's just like ये क्या web है? Put. That's it.
Have you guys seen Dhan Dhanadhan Goal? तूने देख रहा है पक्का?
Yeah, of course.
Huh?
Wow.
I've
There's
also
a
seen
scene-
Dhan Dhanadhan
I
Goal.
have.
Dhan Dhanadhan Goal has a scene where Arshad Warsi has to hit the top post corner.
Yeah.
Okay, he hits it once. Everyone starts celebrating. And he's like, no, we can't celebrate yet. I have to do it a second time. So, Govind, we have to see you do it.
Oh, again.
second time.
Again. Let's raise the
So,
stakes.
I want to see if it. If
Antriksh,
is it as good.
Antriksh,
Yeah.
you could have just said, go and do it one more time.
Yeah, yeah.
Have you seen Dhandanathan Goal?
Just a filmy game show
Yeah,
in the
please
middle.
watch that filming show.
Let's watch it actually right now. You see this scene? Govind, he did it a second time.
Can you also?
So,
अरशद वारसी को हिचकी आ रही है फालतू में. ये क्या पॉडकास्ट पे मेरा नाम?
let Hoshang try it once.
Okay, let's
It's
Hoshang.
his Spider-Man.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
This is, oh my god. ये पता है इसके पीछे wait 1 second. इसके पीछे while Hoshang is doing this, can we please play Spider-Man Spider-Man तूने चुराया मेरे दिल का चैन oh
Oh, he just did.
oh he got it. Wait.
No, he
No.
hit his head. And it fell down.
It was right in the center. On his forehead.
By the end of the podcast, I am the prop.
The thing is,
It's a full circle moment.
I am Spider-Man. I have to defeat my enemies, not the fucking plant on their heads. I got to my enemy.
Did it
This
go
is
in the
the-
kitty litter? It went in the kitty.
This is the worst superhero ever. वो चोरी चल रही है वहाँ पे पुलिस भी है.
अबे माइक नहीं है तेरे में by the way.
वो ठीक है उसको आदत है.
Hoshang, you're watching this episode and editing this.
क्या बोला बे वापस बोल?
बीच में मनपुरम गोल्ड लोन.
Oh, that missed him, dude.
मैं कुछ भी बोलूंगा भाई तू तो मारेगा नहीं मेरे को वैसे भी.
That was so bad.
Okay, let me try once
Yeah,
more.
yeah.
Just
And,
because Govind
let's
got
move
it,
on.
I want to see him
Yeah.
go and gets it again. Because that was too fucking cool, dude.
Do you want the? With this? Come on, dude.
Oh, yes.
Get the
yes.
full feel.
His home. His,
I don't want.
It's a nice glove, though. No.
No. Okay, wow, this is the tension. Oh my God! Go in, dude. How are you doing that? You're amazing at this, dude.
Are you serious?
Did you
Like, are
practice before
Yeah,
coming
what
here?
the fuck?
Are you secretly really good at?
I
darts
delivered
and
it to you,
aiming?
dude. मैं ऐसे कर रहा था बेटी से.
How is
तू
that?
स्विंग करते हुए आया था क्या देने के लिए? इसलिए नहीं चल रहा है क्या मेरा?
ये कांदीवली से ऐसे ही आया है.
That's why you
हाथ
know I told Anas कि हम लोग ट्रेन से जाते हैं. ये बोला था कैब से, तो मैं बोला नहीं मैं ट्रेन से आऊंगा. मैं ट्रेन से नहीं आया था भाई.
उसको बस
ये
गोद
train
में
पे
लेके
लटक
नहीं
के
आना था
आया
तेरे को.
भाई, train पे लटक के आया था.
स्पाइडर ऊपर ली थी.
मेरा बैग थोड़ा दुखता है तो मैं दूसरों को लेके नहीं आ पाता. I've always wondered, dude, Spider-Man में when like Mary Jane is also there,
Yeah.
she's not safe, dude. She can't swing. How is she so comfortable just sitting on some guy's
उसकी आंखों में
hand?
मिट्टी नहीं जाती क्या?
हाँ
ऐसे
कुछ
जाते
नहीं
हुए?
जाती भाई.
ऐसे बाइक पे थोड़ा तेज चलो बिना हेलमेट के, उसमें परेशान हो जाता है. मक्खी चली गई.
But Antriksh, there you go.
Yeah,
I did it
Antriksh.
again.
This
But
is-
damn, dude.
Damn good, dude. Fucking good.
Okay,
That
but
was
great idea. Whoever thought
great
of it.
time pass prop for
Like this is just
Anas to take
someone
home.
who was like, wouldn't it be great if there was a web shooter and they just did it that night and whatever made they made
Wouldn't
that
it be
night.
great if someone buys it and their friend is better at it than them? Wouldn't that be great?
But this is, you know what? There are dart like those guns, dude. It's the same. Ye glove to bhai.
Dick, the thing is we haven't
As
figured
the
out how to.
veteran of Spider-Man shooting industry, just like not impressed.
Yeah, देख. I've been in this industry for 30 years. मैं बता सकता हूँ कि ये I can tell you, man. ये यार नहीं यार.
नहीं.
आजकल के बच्चे बहुत they're slacking, dude. ये सब क्या बना
Oh,
रहे
dude,
हैं?
Abhinav Bindra, Mr. Abhinav Bindra with us tonight.
No, it's that turkey वाला shooter guy.
Oh, yeah. Turkey वाला, sorry. 2023.
उसको ये यूज करना चाहिए था. He's so
That's damn
unserious.
cool actually to see him.
Actually, if you change the use case of it, like it's
Yeah.
a great party, time pass party prop. Where
Yeah.
someone comes home, you're like, dude, let's make this into a time pass.
Yeah,
game, you know,
yeah,
like a
yeah. And
drinking
I think
game
we
or
just haven't
something.
figured out how to put
And
it
Anas will be
together
there
yet.
holding the green
No, this
thing
is
on
like
top
a
of it.
dart game
That's
only.
Anas'
Like
game.
what we did right now, that's all.
That's all it is good for, exactly
This is
right.
good for.
But तू दो बार मार दिया bro, like
भाई,
crazy
मैं
हो गया.
कौन हूँ भाई?
Can we
मैं-
discuss
Bansha episode
how
could
awesome
never.
that is, dude?
Yeah, could never. do
Garima
it.
Berry
Because
episode never.
We didn't have this. Yes.
Yeah.
We didn't have it.
Not
in this
actually at
episode.
all.
Imagine
What
if this item sells out because Govind got it twice a night.
No, but honestly, this is fun. But there are enough
Dude,
things.
I don't know why
like
nobody's
this.
talking about my headshot. It was literally a headshot.
That's not what you were
because
aiming for,
You
though.
weren't
I
aiming for the-
was.
Sure, whatever
Sure.
hit, sure.
I really was.
You're the worst assassin I've ever met in my life.
Yeah, I was aiming for kidney only. Yes. Of course, I hit his kidney. And that is where I wanted to hit.
I was aiming for his kidney. That's why I
घुटने में
gave him a
हेडशॉट
drink.
मारने वाला. सब बस चल नहीं पा रहे सारे
We hired
victims.
you to injure him, not kill him.
That's true. All he's right. तेरे सब victim बस चल नहीं पा रहे. बस यही है.
Just
Oh,
shoot
man.
me the head, man.
But if I had to rate this, I would rate this -5. There is no point.
But now imagine if it did the job it was supposed to do.
Then I'd give it higher, na. But it didn't, na.
No, I'm just saying imagine first.
I
Like if you
imagine
just did this pulled me in, that would be great.
that
man.
would be so cool.
That would be
man.
so cool. And it can happen. It's just we haven't figured out how to put
There
it
is
together
no way
yet.
it can happen.
You should go to a bar and try this. Just
Go to a bar.
Can I buy you a drink? Sorry, what?
But the thing is, we've
Yeah.
all used these kind of suction toys in our past.
Exactly.
These suction toys.
This is my
suck
first ever
at
suction toy, dude.
What
I've
do you
never
mean?
bought a
You've never
suction
had a
toy.
suction
no.
toy?
Not possible, dude.
What do you mean it's not possible? I'm
You
telling
must
you.
have had. You must have just forgotten it. You for sure have
That's
had.
true.
Suction
You-
toys, is that what we are calling them? That's the new term for these toys. The industry of suction toys.
But you didn't have a suction
Lizu's
toy.
Lizu's ka new product suction toys you've tried.
Suction toy. The new brand.
New Lizu's suction toy. और मराठी में ऐड उसके लिए.
Marathi and half Urdu also.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Oshan. That glove is just disgusting, man. It's
No, Dude,
disgusting.
while you guys were talking right now, Hoshang tried to pass it off. Isn't this a nice glove? Nobody heard him. Nobody heard him.
The worst
Nobody
glove.
I feel like almost Spider-Man.
Not at all.
It's like
A burnt hand looks better than this. I just wanna
That
say.
hand in your prop.
your prop box is better.
उसको पहना दे चुपचाप. Spider-Man मर गया. Oh, dude. I understand why you get excited, dude. I see all of these things. I'm like, oh shit. What if
पीटर पार्कर की लाश
मर गया? Yeah.
पीटर पार्कर की लाश चाहिए किसी को? मेरे ड्रॉप बॉक्स में पड़ी है.
You know, Iron Man's nanotechnology, how it starts covering his entire body.
Yeah.
This is just gave up midway. This is just the
This is वो बैटरी रन आउट ना. ट्रिमर की चार्जिंग खत्म हो गई.
नहीं ये बस धीरे धीरे हो रहा है. ऐसे
अगले एपिसोड तक देख भाई.
It's micron technology. It's happening at a pace.
What would you rate his product?
His product.
I won't even say what this product is. But
Listen,
I
I'm
would-
gonna
I
put
would
this
rate it,
together.
Sorry?
I would rate it 10 on 10 because not for the product but for Hoshang.
No, but the product. I meant the product, not
Oh,
Hoshan.
one.
One, yes. yes.
But Hoshang
But
10
what
on
if
10.
it worked?
What if it worked?
If it
then,
worked.
then
But
5.
that's not how you rate products. Ki, what if it was the best thing ever? then to you'd rate na nicely.
Yeah. Conditional rating. Yes.
What were the ratings where you bought it? Like Flipkart, whatever.
You saw
Amazon?
reviews?
I didn't see reviews. I just saw a video and it looks so cool.
Oh, but that's a
Was
one
it
thing you're
was
doing.
it real Spider-Man? Building it कर रहा है. You're
I was
like,
like,
what?
I was watching Far From Home actually. उसके बीच में ad आया था. I was like, oh fuck, I can be Tom Holland.
With this, you'll be further away from home. Just will never reach.
No way home is right there. That's
My
right.
mom will watch this episode and disown me immediately. Just like way far away from home.
You know, if you're going for a trip, your friends are like, तेरा flight book किया तूने? Like, नहीं भाई, मेरे को flight की जरूरत नहीं है. ये देख पुचुक. ये देख
तू
ले.
अपनी विंडो के बाहर देखियो आधा घंटे बाद फिर बताता हूँ तेरे को.
शादी दिल्ली में थी. वो कोची में पहुंच.
कहीं भी जा रहा है ये.
अभी यहाँ पे किसी की शादी हो रही है तो मुझे बुला लो.
It doesn't
There is
stick on. I was
कुछ
hoping
नहीं है इसमें.
I was hoping कि यहाँ पे कुछ होगा tape वेप जो निकालना होगा so that it sticks properly.
Tape whip.
अरे तो कुछ रहता है ना ऊपर
800 में
cover.
तुझे क्या क्या
Oh,
लग रहा है
that kind of
मिलेगा?
worked, yeah.
It works, dude.
Yeah,
That's when Hoshan hit you.
That's when I hit you. Okay, listen, we'll cut everything. Yeah.
After you hit
I
that,
hit
then-
him and it just starts from here
It's
now.
just a freeze frame.
Perfect.
That is so cool.
Antriksh, what do you rate his?
Like pretty low, man.
Hellboy.
2.
Pretty
This was
low?
very good. Yeah,
Yeah,
2
of
out
course.
10.
Mine
I
is
mean,
negative,
yeah,
so
dude, it
this
doesn't-
is good.
it doesn't-
Dude.
What about the glove?
That
That's
is
the-
actually what made it negative.
Yeah, With the
I'm
glove.
really trying really hard to sell the glove.
Dude, actually, yeah, in my rating, I'm not even counting the glove at all. I'm just using that because that's the only thing that kind of works.
Okay, but let's say you just see my hand. Okay, wouldn't you think, hey, it's like Spider-Man here?
Nobody is thinking Spider-Man with that glove.
Like, what if it's just creeping out? Like, hey, it's
Not
Spider-Man.
at all.
This is a bad Michael Jackson glove.
Okay, wait.
Oh, yes.
Let me actually. We
This
have
is
Any
a-
bad
Annie-
glove with
Annie
a
is
bad
okay.
Michael Jackson glove.
Annie is okay. Yes, that's true.
And he doesn't want to talk to
Annie has actually blocked Michael Jackson. She
Annie, are
doesn't
you
want to
okay?
see-
Single tick. Annie, are you okay? Single tick.
Okay, see. This is a Spider-Man hand glove.
Yeah, I
Okay?
mean, those
It's
are all
webbed.
animated.
It's supposed to be webbed.
It is webbed. See, if you look closely.
How is it webbed?
It's not webbed. It's just.
ये
square
लाइन है
shit.
भाई. ये
हाँ,
Marks and Spencer में ऐसे टी-शर्ट दिखते हैं.
Spiders are looking at it right now in your room, and they're just cutting their own threads. They don't want to be associated with this.
Okay, what do you rate your own product? What do you think?
Listen, I think I still have to put it together. Okay, we haven't put it together properly yet because I'm sure there's some use of the string. It does come back, like it sticks to something and you pull the string back and the thing comes to you, dude.
To be fair, we love Spider-Man. So
Yeah.
for the love of Spider-Man, I think. Yeah.
For the
I think
love
I
of
would like to
Spider-Man.
change my
For
rating
eight,
to
eight,
to
right?
8. Yeah,
Eight.
yeah. I think
Yeah,
I love.
yeah.
Dude,
Mine
I
is
love
negative 8,
Spider-Man.
so you're back at 0. Back to 0. I
I
increased.
didn't realize we were adding the ratings. What do
Now
you
we
mean?
are. Now we are. Now Antriksh is going to do his fucking segment.
Antriksh is gonna talk a lot, dude.
Fucking Antriksh, dude.
Fucking Antriksh.
Dude, every time Antriksh talks, people in the comment like, Antriksh को तो camera footage क्यों मिल रहा है?
Fuck, dude.
अंतरिक्ष क्यों है?
Fuck, man.
क्या जरूरत है इसका?
Fucking hell.
अंतरिक्ष की अभी
Anyway,
शादी हुई है. Okay, don't be mean to
Give it
अंतरिक्ष
up
audience.
for Okay, we're on to segment 3. Antriksh,
Yeah.
Segment 3. Anas, this is the most important segment.
You gotta
of the
have
episode.
this to speak. Wait. You just,
Sure, no problem.
Just
oh,
keep
your
that.
unicorn is gone.
अरे मार दिया.
Dude, to disrespect my product was shown today. I'm gonna remember this, okay?
I'm gonna break this, dude, right now. I'll
This
show you how
has
much.
broken emotionally. See, it's not even sticking anymore. Yeah.
अरे,
Antriksh
yeah.
just
So, Anas, these in the third segment of the episode, we usually do a segment called brand debates, where we discuss brands and your preference of these brands. The thing is, this is very important. You have to really think about how you rate these brands because this is what raises and lowers their stock ka price and all that.
Oh yeah,
Okay,
of
so
course.
it actually makes a difference.
Yeah.
Okay, absolutely. The
And
biggest.
then
Are you
we-
just trying to get like a brand to sponsor?
No.
With
That's
this?
a part
No,
of it.
the stocks go
Part of
down and then we sell those stocks because we
Yeah,
don't
that's
have
what-
money.
yeah, insider
That's
trading it's
right.
called
Yeah,
also.
yeah.
Buy the dip, man. Buy the
Yes,
dip.
buy the dip.
Yeah.
Sell the dip.
मेरे
One
पास
of my-
मेरे डीमैट का एक्सेस नहीं है लेकिन I am affecting the stock prices
Yes.
around.
Yeah.
Yes.
And turns out one of my questions today is about dips. That is going to be the second debate.
Okay.
The first
Salsa.
debate.
Yes,
Yes. The
that's
first
my
debate
favorite.
is so these fast food. Are you guys big on fast food?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
I love.
When it comes to burgers, do you prefer the gourmet burger or do you prefer the regular McDonald's Burger King type? Burger?
Depends on what
Depends, yeah.
what like if
Where
I
you
if,
are, what mood?
not where I am, like if it's like
Depends
a post,
is a great answer.
yeah, depends.
Depends.
I love
Depends.
depends.
Depends is the best.
That's
kind.
it. Actually, that's
Depends.
my answer. Depends.
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 No one says on what. They're like,
It depends.
depends.
Must depend on something.
Yeah,
Yeah, you're saying
yeah.
depends.
It depends.
On circumstances, it must depend on different kind of
Okay.
circumstances.
Yeah, so
So rate these or arrange these four brands in your order of preference. McDonald's, Burger King, KFC, Good Flippin' Burger / Gourmet Burgers, all are the fourth. order.
wait.
Wait,
Okay.
what?
McDonald's.
McDonald's?
Thoda और fast.
McDonald's, A McDonald's,
Uh-huh.
B
So-
BurgerKing,
Uh-huh.
C KFC, and D is Good Flippin' Burgers plus
Like any
/
gourmet,
burgers.
Louis,
Yes,
wo.
correct, exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
It is
I
tough.
love burgers. First of all, I must
Okay.
say I eat a lot of burgers.
Burgers over sandwiches, like regular sandwiches.
Any
No,
day.
no. Sandwiches for
Agree,
me.
agree.
Over
For me,
burgers.
burgers
every time.
over anything.
Okay,
actually.
I'll go then. First is KFC, second is Burger King, third is Gourmet Burgers, fourth is McDonald's.
McDonald's is
Fourth
worst for
is
you.
McDonald's.
McDonald's, I don't. It does something weird to my tummy, dude. I don't
Oh.
like McDonald's. I like 2-3 things at McDonald's burgers.
what?
The क्या है, grilled chicken and cheese कुछ तो है with jalapenos. That's
The American,
good. हाँ, American
जो
वाला,
नया वाला है
Yeah,
उनका.
yeah.
Yeah, one or two I like. Other than that, I don't like. I love Burger King. I love KFC, and I love.
Any of you into Filet-O-Fish? That's one of my favorite things.
I only want a
don't.
Filet-O-Fish. If I'm getting a burger from McDonald's,
Yeah.
it's only going to be Filet-O-Fish or the wrap from there. The wrap is pretty
okay.
good.
Okay.
But,
You? What your rating be?
My
McDonald's,
rating,
Burger King, KFC.
I think gourmet burgers on top because you get smash burgers there. I love smash burgers. So
I like this whole trend of smash burgers. They're
I-
everywhere all over the
Yes.
internet right now, and every fucking thing looks so good.
I
You heard
just,
of pass burgers also?
huh?
That's the other category, pass burgers.
Smash or pass?
dude. Only smashing, bye. Okay. Only smashing. But no, honestly, KFC I used to be addicted to, so which is why
But not the burgers. You were addicted to the popcorn.
popcorn.
Yeah.
But like it's the same thing in the burger, but bigger. It's like the
That's actually-
like the fried
That's-
chicken I love.
Dude, but that's actually my problem with KFC. Everything is the same exact flavor.
Which
All
is
the
what I
dishes,
love
everything.
about
It's
KFC.
consistent. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
consistent.
that's
And
I
Burger
love
King,
it.
I like the burgers because it's big and it just it's nicer than McDonald's burgers, dude. They're
Dude, I have. If you guys want to ever try, the Burger King chicken wings are better than KFC chicken wings or even.
Actually, Burger King's
other-
chocolate shake
Right, the
also
categories.
is really
cat
fucking.
agreed.
Wow, okay.
she doesn't
very
have a
good,
mic, but she agrees.
Wow.
Chicken? Chicken wings?
Yeah.
What is your rating?
I love Good Flippin'.
Yeah.
I really like all of their burgers because it feels fresher.
Yeah.
Like, so I can like actually, I had it once and then I was like, okay, this is better than what other burgers. Also, other burgers, I think McDonald's definitely, but I'm not sure if Burger King and KFC are also Israeli products, so I'm also boycotting.
Oh.
So it's just Good Flippin' for me.
Oh,
Okay.
damn.
Right,
Not
right.
consider the
Yeah, man.
socio-political.
Yeah, what the fuck? Dude?
Yeah,
Fuck McDonald's.
You can't
Fuck
bring
McDonald's.
that, Anas.
we
You
didn't
can't
know.
bring
But
that
if
in.
that is the case, then you're only good flipping.
Yeah.
I guess,
Then
because I'm
McDonald's
sure-
is on top for me.
Guys, yeah. I give up on burgers after this.
No, I hate. I have not walked into a McDonald's ever since the war has begun.
I actually live there now. No, okay. I don't.
I'm actually Ron.
But you're serious. You're not joking about this.
I'm not joking about
A
this
lot
at
of
all.
people
Oh,
boycotted.
okay.
Yes.
I don't even know.
It's
should
part
tell
of
you-
the-
I should
part
tell
of
you
the
what, there's
boycott.
this Israeli artist called Noga Erez, okay, and I was obsessed with her, and so I didn't know what her stance was on the whole Palestine situation, so I asked ChatGPT, okay, and ChatGPT like till the Hamas attack she was supporting Palestine, but since the Hamas attack she has been a little on the fence and a little diplomatic. So now I only listen to her songs till 2023.
मैं भी पुराने वाले हैप्पी मील खाता हूँ.
That's my loophole.
You go into McDonald's, you're like कुछ 2018 में बनाया था क्या आपने कुछ वो दे दो अभी पड़ा हुआ है कुछ तो
और पड़ा होगा जैसा मैकडॉनल्ड्स है.
पक्का पड़ा
तेल
हुआ
तो एटलीस्ट तेल तो
पक्का.
और पुराना होगा उसका, I
है.
think.
Actually, that's why McDonald's is fourth for me. I
Yeah,
don't think
yeah.
I said that properly.
Yeah.
But Burger King is also.
I'm I'm not too sure about Burger King and KFC, but McDonald's definitely.
McDonald's
Ah,
Yeah,
that's
what
what
the
I
hell,
know.
yeah,
That I know.
yeah.
That I know.
So like I used to really like it as a kid. That was like the go-to place for कि कुछ आज exams खत्म हुए तो
The Happy
like we would
Meal,
go
ye
there.
wo, yeah.
Happy Meal for me. Happy Meal was also like a little too fancy. I would just do like a
McChicken.
McAloo tikki
Yeah.
Or chicken
Yeah, yeah.
McGrill.
with the chicken and all. I never had like outside because of that halal haram thing. So I would do like either if it's too much money, I'm thinking of spending Mac veggie. I'll do.
Yeah.
या फिर I'll do
Feel
that or
fancy
फिर
that night.
economy meal कर लिया, but now I'm just like it's not worth it, man.
But
It's
all,
not worth
and
it
because
anymore.
like good flipping and all are just much better products
Absolutely.
in general.
They're great. Like it's
Yeah.
not even about the gourmet. If
Yeah.
it tastes
It's
great,
so good.
that's it.
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
all I
yeah,
care
yeah.
I
about.
get smash burgers because I think they're healthier.
Dude, there's this
They're like
brand.
big pork.
There's this brand. I'm sure they're around here also. Nashville.
Yeah, fried chicken.
They're fucking good, dude.
Yeah,
Their
yeah. They're like
burgers
gourmet
are
version of KFC
so
basically. They're-
Good.
There's this one in Andheri. It's called Kha.
I've seen it, I've seen
It's here also.
I just think it's such a great
It's a
name.
great
just
name,
like,
yeah.
It's very passive aggressive. Also.
Yeah,
Kha.
कि
Khabe.
खा चुपचाप.
Yeah.
Like साले silent है उसमें. साले वो होशाम.
वो मैं बोल रहा हूँ
होशाम बोल
अब.
रहा है.
McDonald's now has a drive-through at the airport in Bombay
Yeah.
T2 airport, right? So they have this thing where you place an order, and on the window it is written, "K if you don't get your order in 120 seconds, it's 2
Then we'll
minutes."
kill more Palestinians.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They
correct.
are not
That's about
killing,
correct.
by the
Yeah,
way.
They
correct.
are.
They are.
Like that's
They're
the whole-
supporting.
Funding.
हाँ, वही तो.
They're not just like supporting like we love you. They're actually putting in money so
they
that
are. Oh, that I didn't
There's
know.
funding.
so that
it's sort
there's
of.
funding.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, so that
more
there's money.
weapons can be bought.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I never delved that deep
So
into
the boycott
that, but
has
okay. Then it
happened-
makes sense. Then
Yeah,
the
so-
boycott actually completely makes sense.
हाँ,
But
That's
उनके
the
yeah.
whole-
price इतने भी अच्छे नहीं है, ठीक है,
that's the
कि
whole
मैं वो सब
premise of a
overlook कर दूँ.
boycott ki like they are actively
I
supporting.
thought because they were silent about it is why, not because they were fucking funded.
then you'd have
They
to
were
boycott
silent.
everybody.
Yeah.
Because companies in general don't
Ah,
take a
don't
stance
really
on
take a
political
stance.
situations, but
Hmm.
them, Coca-Cola, they've actively been putting in money कि हाँ हम बर्गर बहुत अच्छे बनाते हैं. एक रॉकेट लॉन्चर भी लोगे आप?
Happy Meal is back.
Happy
Build
Meal
your
is
own
also-
rocket launcher.
Okay, okay. What's yours?
Uh,
Now with
okay.
this.
हाँ, अब बता
अब
दे.
बता रहा साले.
uh,
अब तो गुड फ्लिप ही नहीं आएगा ना ऊपर.
क्या बोला था तूने? क्या बोला था? राजस्थान से क्या सीख के आया तू इस बार?
हल्का मुत्तेगा भाई.
come with the, man, I would say, the thing is, okay, not
What
taking
is
the
the thing?
socio-political
Yeah.
Scenario,
But you
even though
cannot
he just
not
played
take
it out.
it into
अरे
consideration.
let him.
Because the thing is, I
और
fucking
कर ले
love,
सेगमेंट. और करना? और बता.
I love McDonald's, dude. That's the thing.
Actually हम एक ही करेंगे, ये दो नहीं करेंगे. तेरे दो क्वेश्चन नहीं रहेंगे.
I'm sure next one is Zara का क्या सोचते हो तुम लोग?
Zara, Starbucks क्या लगता है? Yeah.
I would say McDonald's,
Yes.
then Burger King,
Yes.
then Gourmet and Good Flippin, and then KFC last, actually.
Wait,
KFC
gourmet is
last.
third for you.
I've gotten, over the years, I've gotten very tired of KFC. Their
तो
chicken seems
कम
dry.
खाना भाई तेरे ऊपर ही है ना.
नहीं खाता ना,
तेरे को
इसलिए
थोड़ी के आके खिला रहे वो लोग.
That's why I'm preferring the others. That's
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
exactly
yeah.
what this
रोज
question
रोज
is.
चांस देता है.
इस बार अच्छा होएगा. आज
But
पक्का
Gourmet is third.
Gourmet is third just because I end up ordering from McDonald's quite a lot. Anyway, I was saying firstly, they have a 120-second rule. If you don't
हाँ.
get a drive-through order in 120 seconds, you get free regular fries. That I always make sure to get because they
How do
never
you make
complain about
sure?
it.
Actually,
coming
what
out
you
of
should
it.
Never coming
what
out,
should you
that's
do? You should do is गाड़ी लेके चले जा बाहर and they're looking
Like,
for you and
"Hey,
then you
bhai,
come back ले
I-
15 मिनट हो गए भाई क्या?
Just
को
pretend to be an employee there suddenly. अरे किसी का ऑर्डर था यहाँ पे मेरा था.
Wait, yeah,
Okay.
so I would say KFC is last for me. And yeah, Good Flippin, Louis Burger, all these are quite good. Yeah.
Nice dude. Okay,
Next
what's the
one.
second one? Yeah.
Next one is to do with ketchup and condiment brands.
Oh.
Okay. So
Viva.
there are more than 4. So I'll just name all of them so we can arrange them in our order of
Sure.
preference. Or if
Israeli
we have
वाले
any
हटा के बताना.
nostalgia.
Ha,
Yeah,
ha,
correct.
ha.
If we have nostalgia about any of them, we can talk about that. So A, Maggie, B, Viva, C, Kisan, D, Heinz, E, Del Monte, and F, Dr. Oetker, which is also owns Fun Foods now.
Oh,
Mayo
so
and all that.
so Fun Foods. I'll think Fun Foods.
really?
No, I'm just asking. Dog.
Okay, yeah,
मैं
Fun
बस
Foods.
Fun
Yeah,
Foods सोचने
yeah,
वाला हूँ.
yeah.
मेरे को Oetker Oetker नहीं
ये
पता.
निकाल ना तेरा glove.
Sorry,
Yeah.
sorry, I forgot.
This is going on.
Part of me now.
He's using it fun food, right? तो fun food है ना.
Annie is losing her breath right now.
So yeah, A, Maggie,
Maggie,
B, Viva, C,
Viva.
Kisan, D, Heinz, E, Del Monte, and F, Fun Foods.
Fun
F तक पहले कभी नहीं पहुंचे
Actually,
अपन ना.
yeah.
This is the
Viva-
first time.
Yeah,
याद ही नहीं
Viva
रहेगा.
first.
Viva is epic, right? You all
Viva is very good.
Yeah.
And then Maggie second.
Yeah. Maggie is
Uh,
good. The hot and sweet of Maggie.
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
so-
yeah. Kisan.
But we are counting all the condiments and dips, or just ketchup.
I would
Huh,
say
which-
so.
Our favorites?
Yeah, in
so
general
ketchup-
favorites.
Okay,
Whatever you
Definitely
use.
ketchup.
Ketchup, so then
For
Heinz
all.
on top
So-
for me because I love Heinz ketchup.
Oh,
Okay.
Heinz bhi hai. Sorry,
Ah.
fuck. Okay.
Heinz bhi hai.
Viva, Heinz, ये क्या था?
Maggie.
Maggie, Kisan.
Del Monte and Dr. Oetker.
Actually,
का
Del
क्या आता
Monte,
है? मेरे को Del Monte
Del
कभी नहीं
Monte,
लिया मैंने।
Kisan, then Fun Foods. Fun Foods का तो एक तो पैकेजिंग इतना गंदा दिखता है ना.
100%.
But-
मेरे को लेने का मन ही नहीं
But
करता.
Fun Foods, like you grew up with Fun Food, you know what I mean?
And
like,
I
that was
hated
your
them.
exposure
I
to
grew
different
up
condiments
hating
and
them.
spreads.
I grew up hating them
Just
every
because of
day.
the packaging?
I don't know. I
Do you
just
guys-
never liked
Oh.
their thing.
Do you guys like
Just-
momos? Are you big into momos?
Oh, yeah.
Not Bombay
come on.
momos, but हाँ.
Oh,
Momos,
okay, I'm
yes,
so
big
sorry,
momo
यार.
fan.
North Indian.
So a big thing where
No,
momo
you're
brand,
right. By the way, yeah, you're
actually,
right.
yeah.
But ये बोलने की कोई जरूरत
Yeah.
नहीं थी.
I've started realizing that you can tell how good the momo is gonna be depending on,
On the chutney.
the brand of mayo that they're using.
Oh.
If they're using Fun Foods mayo, no, they're
Yeah.
usually gonna be bad.
Why are
Yeah.
you eating momos with mayo?
Dude, that's a very regular
It's
thing
a-
they give
huh,
across
it's
the
a very
world.
regular
That's
thing.
not real
Hey,
momos.
don't get your
It's
North
one and
Indian.
one.
Fine,
Fine,
sorry.
Don't
I grew
get
up
your
with good
North
momos,
Indianness.
dude.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
यहाँ पे ये
So that's what I was-
तू
The
ये नहीं
Jaipur
कर रहा है. ये
momo
दिल्ली में ये बड़ा हुआ है.
Has been offended.
Yeah, why are
The
you
authentic
offended?
momos of Jaipur. I'm so sorry.
Bro,
Yeah.
rich momos, okay? I'm not
Yeah,
gonna
like he's from Delhi. He knows way more.
I know.
I'm the stereotype, yeah, man. कुछ लाल मास की बात हो तो तू आना फिर
अरे, Hari bhai.
Yeah,
So-
but
That's also me.
you gave too many options.
I did give you the options.
Reduce Fun Foods हटा दे. I feel like.
So
Hatai
Fun Foods,
de.
everyone is last because his was Fun Foods was first.
Not first.
Oh, okay.
Fun Food for me would be third. Yeah.
It's just too many options. Give
It
us
is two, yeah.
4.
Okay, then let's cut it down, everyone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Four. The 4 main ones then would be Maggie, Viva, Heinz, and Kisan. और तेरे लिए क्या Fun Foods रखूँगा?
अब तूने निकाल ही दिया है पार्टी
निकल
में
गया,
उसका
निकल
वो
गया, निकल
क्या
गया।
करने का?
honorable mention I'll give I guess.
Viva, Heinz, Maggie, and जो भी बचा
किसान,
कुछ है, किसान हाँ.
Viva on top, okay. Heinz on top for me just because of the ketchup.
क्योंकि अमेरिका का है ना इसको अमेरिका की चीजें बहुत पसंद है. Yeah, I know it's that. It's not even a
But it's
joke.
good.
It's not even a
very
joke.
good. I've had my friends bring me Heinz ketchup just
It's
from the
literally
States.
just ketchup.
No, it's not. I mean,
It
yeah, it
is.
is, but you won't get it.
I won't get it
You won't get it,
because
dude.
I don't. Yeah, okay.
Maggie actually.
Why do you hate your brother, dude? He lives in the
Yeah.
US.
अरे but अरे
What's the problem with your brother? Yeah,
Yeah, guys, what happened? Guys, yeah, okay.
So we as kids growing up in India, right? We have had the most, I think, nostalgia factor from Maggie because
Yeah.
all the
Yeah.
aja, all that ad and all.
That-
And
ये तो नहीं है
उस season
reason.
से तो नहीं है हमें
ये तो
connection,
नहीं
but
है
हाँ,
reason.
Maggie is just
नहीं ये गाना
हाँ.
गाने
that
से
was like
आया है
so-
ना.
used
That's
to be-
Shami Kapoor, bro.
No, that is a very famous Maggie ad where they want to prove that their Maggie is very thick sauce wise.
yeah.
Okay, that's I don't know. That's bad phrasing. I guess.
Aja.
So while the Maggie is falling out of the bottle, the song going on in the background. You guys don't remember this?
Oh.
Fuck. Okay, I just.
That's why you like Maggie?
Yeah, this is not.
No,
The,
I'm
I
saying,
like
so, like,
Maggie
they had
because
other
of
good ads.
Maggie.
Yeah.
They had, of course, but then they had like I'm talking about the nostalgia angle
Okay.
of it.
Yeah,
Okay.
Like, so-
nostalgia because I used to eat Maggie.
Correct, of course.
I
But then
must
they
say,
also had those-
in every episode, Antriksh knows all the ads are. Even in
That's
the last
true.
episode, we were talking about Good Night. He was talking about all-out ads.
Yeah,
Just
That's true.
random
That's true.
ads
You
he
know
brings
all
out.
the ads.
Mr.
No.
Ogilvy.
yeah. Like,
What's your like top to bottom?
I think Heinz definitely because it's American.
That's
You get it, dude.
Nice.
that's true, man.
You're a man of culture.
Yeah, American culture. That's
I
right.
can't support Israelis, but Americans I'm.
They're onto something.
Then they are supporting Israelis. That's
exactly.
That's different.
That's different.
That's different.
That's a personal problem.
Kisa-
Heinz
Heinz
ketchup
isn't-
is ketchup is nice. then I think Maggie
Maggie.
because of the there used to be this ad Aja.
Also,
So
a great
because of
Javed-
nostalgia.
Javed Jafri ad.
Javed
Sweet and
Jafri,
sour.
man. Yeah,
Sweet and sour.
Javed Jafri,
Javed
Jajantram
Jafri,
Mamantram.
yeah.
And Maggie's thick.
Yeah, very.
Yeah.
Thick.
Yeah,
Smash.
and long.
Smash.
Maggie smash.
And
Fun foods pass. And
third
then
is क्या था किसान और
Kill.
Kisan or
Kill Kisan.
Maggie, Viva, Kisan, Heinz. Yeah.
kill children. Thank you, McDonald's.
That's right.
That's the
This
new
is a
tagline.
great episode.
That's a new tagline.
No brands are ever coming on this. is how hard it
Actually,
is.
you know what I love? McDonald's ketchup.
By the way, that's Viva.
By the way, that's
That's
just the blood
Viva.
of the people.
Oh my
brands like
god!
That's Viva. Oh shit! I have to
Brands like
boycott
McDo-
Viva also now.
McDonald's, Domino's,
No.
KFC, Pizza Hut all use Viva. I just found out because I was looking.
Yeah,
looking
that's
this
how
up.
they started the business,
Yeah,
by the
that's
way.
exactly right. Yeah,
Actually,
go
मैं
to
घर की बनी हुई चटनी पसंद करता हूँ. This is too stressful.
Bro, this is
हाँ भाई धनिया पुदीने की चटनी.
एक अमेरिकन है, कोई ऐसी चटनी है जिससे कोई कंट्री नहीं खराब हो रही. Can we go for that? घर पे बनी हुई
Oh,
चटनी I think is best.
Yeah, yeah.
लहसुन की चटनियाँ बढ़िया बनाती है भाई.
लहसुन की
भी-
चटनी harms nobody.
Nobody.
Children are also eating.
Yeah.
Everybody's eating.
Yes,
Everybody's
yes,
enjoying.
True.
yes.
yes. Okay, and did you all arrange yours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so then
What's
quickly,
yours?
I'll just mine is first is Maggie because of their hot and sweet is fucking
And Aja.
Oh, I
and the
forgot about hot
Aja
and
and the
sweet,
Jaja we
yeah.
had. Then Viva because their ketchup is good, but their mustard is
Their
mustard
mustard is
Viva,
incredible.
Viva
Yeah.
mustard.
amazing.
But
Shout
if
out.
Heinz made mustard, you'd like that more, no? They make, I guess,
They do,
already.
Of course they do.
Yeah.
They have a thing called mustard and ketchup mix also.
That sounds
by the way,
very.
It's
very
great for
good,
hot
yeah.
dogs.
Oh yeah, see this American really.
Hot dogs,
It's great to
man.
hot dogs, man. This
Heinz-
mustard and ketchup.
You guys want to go to hot dog stand in
One of-
Candy Valley after
Talking-
this?
Getting to Heinz, one
Yeah.
of the greatest things I got back from my recent holiday to Italy was
Yeah.
Heinz mango curry sauce.
Yeah,
You don't
I
get it
know what
anywhere
you're
else in
talking
India.
about. Yeah,
I
yeah,
searched
yeah.
for it extensively. you
इंडिया
don't
में
get
बहुत
it
कम products मिलते हैं
in
Heinz
India.
के.
Yeah. They are the curry mango. It's a life-changing sauce, dude. Fucking.
How did
that's
it change
all
your
I-
life?
Yeah.
That's all I eat now, dude. Like after.
Oh,
like,
oh,
a
that's
lot
So
of my
it's
condiment-
like really fucking up your
yeah,
body.
it's fucking my body.
That's how it
That's
changes.
all
It's
you
so
eat.
fucking good.
There's no protein,
the
no
hospital-
fiber, nothing. It's just this mango sauce.
Just
In the
keep
hospital, you're in the hospital. It was life changing.
Yeah.
I
Also, you got
I'm
a
so
mango
fucked.
sauce
How do
to the country which has the best mangoes in the world.
No, but वो तो मतलब वो लोग का अच्छा बनाया रहेगा ना.
बहुत मत
हम
बढ़िया।
बेस्ट तो एक्सपोर्ट ही कर देते हैं ना.
हाँ
तो
वो
वहाँ पे-
एक्चुअली
हाँ,
हम
ठीक
सब
है,
बेस्ट
ठीक है।
एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं.
I went to
So-
Dubai and somebody was like, get spices और सब spices पे लिखा हुआ है from Kerala. Like thank you. मेरे को वापस बेचने के लिए मेरा ही गरम मसाला.
वापस लेके आ गए. दो स्पाइसेस मस्ट बी लाइक अभी तो आया था दुबई यार वापस लेके आ गए तुम लोग इंडिया यार.
जाके केरला में बेच रहा हूँ उसको. Like इसी दुकान से ले गए थे यार वो.
फ्लाइट में 4 घंटे का डिले था इसके लिए just to come back.
Cinnamon stick saying hi to its family members. की. I guess I'm back
हाँ मैं
now.
आ गया वापस.
But you went to the Gulf, like no.
नहीं,
I'm
नहीं,
just-
oh
did
my
not
God.
work out, man. It's just you know how it is. Come
Yeah, on that note,
on.
thank you so much for coming, Anas. This was great. Do you want to plug something?
on. Yes, I am touring with my show. Unnecessary. I'm probably coming to your city, watching Antarctica. I'm going to be there. Seoul, Rajasthan, of course.
Of course, how are you going to
Of course.
Of
So
course.
I'm gonna come to your city.
Taiwan.
The show Taiwan.
Palestine.
And you're ending it at Mara Masai, right?
Mara Masai, yeah,
Yeah.
Mara Masai. Yeah,
Masai
that's-
Mara. Mara Masai, Masai Mara एक ही होता है क्या?
I'm Muslim. I speak
उल्टा जा रहा है वो.
right to left.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Yeah.
So the show is gonna be a lot of fun. There's a bunch of bits that I'm doing. A lot of them include the props. Not these. There are different set of props for the show, and I'm extremely excited to try it. There's a bunch of new shit that I have not even tried before that I'm gonna try in these shows. So please come if you enjoy watching something that's not your regular stand-up. I guess it could be hit or miss. It could be hit. It could be miss. It could be a lot of fun, but
Or it could be
Smash
or.
pass, dude.
It could be
Smash
or.
or pass.
Hit or miss or.
It
But
just
we'll,
or.
just or. We'll put the link to his shows.
yeah,
niche
just
in
please
the
come if you're trying to have a
Yeah.
good time for 1 hour. We'll have a full
Yes, but
great
thank
time.
you so much for coming.
Thanks for
man.
coming,
This was
dude.
fun.
This is so much fun.
We a lot of political stuff also that we.
Hey, that's gonna stay, okay?
Okay, he'll stay. He'll stay.
I'm
he'll stay.
editing this one. Don't worry, Anas. I
Okay.
got you.
He'll stay. He'll stay. He'll stay. But thank you so much for
Thank you so
coming,
much for
man.
having me, dude. I had a lot of fun. I've been trying to avoid coming here
For a very
For
long
a very
time.
long time. For
the longest
a
time.
year probably.
And I'm so glad I finally came and I had a lot of fun.
That's
This
true.
was-
See?
this was such a
It
good
was so
episode.
easy.
It's a very good episode,
But we
man.
had a good episode.
Yes,
Yeah.
we did.
What an
Yes,
episode.
we did.
Arre, the best.
All
और
right.
दो उसने शॉट भी मारा
हाँ भाई,
इतना.
अरे
मेरा
क्या?
headshot भाई, मेरा headshot.
Yeah.
Okay, but you guys also comment down below. Please comment. We're trying to reach 30 comments in every episode.
Yeah.
Please.
Hey, we met the target last time. It was
We did,
25.
we did.
So now it's 30.
Yeah, it's 30. Your comments, because sometimes I reply so that the amount of comments increase. Not like that. We need 30 comments. Your comments.
30 comments, 41 views. We can do this, guys.
That's true.
Come
All
on.
of you comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you. Bye.
Bye.